In today's world, everyone is under time pressure. Everyone has got a schedule to work according to which they have to meet a target. When this time pressure mixes with negative emotions or attitude, stress and tension are generated. If you live longer with stress, it can be detrimental to your health and social upliftment. There are so many techniques to remove stress and remain stress free. I shall discuss some of these with you today. First is socializing. Talk with your friends and family. Spend some quality time with your family and friends. Regulate your diet. Avoid junk and fatty food. Avoid too much sugar. Take fruits, nuts, and seeds. Third, hobby. Inculcate a hobby and spend some time regularly on it. Yogasanas. Now let us discuss how yogasanas can help us in stress management. First technique is Brahmari. There are so many methods I have seen how Brahmari can be performed. Just simply you sit in Sukhasan. जस्ट पालथी मारकर जैसे हम बैठ जाएं और उसके बाद आप अपने हाथ को ज्ञान मुद्रा बनाकर आंख बंद कर लें, लंबी सांस लें और फिर अपने थ्रोट से हमिंग साउंड निकालें. जस्ट प्रोड्यूस हमिंग साउंड थ्रू योर थ्रोट. क्लोज योर आइज. टेक ए डीप ब्रेथ इन. Or you can perform Brahmari in another way like this. Close your eyes, put your hand over the eyes, close your ear with thumbs. So in this method, we are closing our eyes with the help of fingers, hands and ears with thumbs. Another method can be like this, that we can cover our ear, we can close our ears like this and then we can perform Brahmari. Just we can breathe in and then produce humming sound during exhalation. Now, another aspect I am going to discuss about stress management. Whenever we are stressed, it is said that our mind, our brain doesn't get oxygen in sufficient quantity. So some forward bending asanas can help in this. So let us see one Yoga Mudra. In this, just you have to sit comfortably in Sukhasana. There are keep your spine and neck and head straight in one line, and then bring your hand back, hold your hands, and then bend forward. And while bending forward, you can breathe out, and when you come back, while coming back, you can breathe in, and when you are in the forward bent position, you can breathe normally. So breathe out. While breathing out, just bend forward and just touch the ground with your head. Breathe normally. Now breathing in, come back to your ओरिजिनल पोजीशन. फॉरवर्ड बेंडिंग के क्रम में, फॉरवर्ड बेंडिंग आसनों के क्रम में हम अब पादहस्तासन करेंगे, उसके बाद पश्चिमोत्तासन करेंगे, फिर शशांक आसन करेंगे और उसके बाद हम आनंद बाल आसन करेंगे. आनंद बाल आसन यानी हैप्पी बेबी पोज अंग्रेजी में उसे कहते हैं. जो बच्चा जो है पीठ के बल लेट कर अपने हैप्पी मोड में जो इस तरह से वो खेलता है, वो आसन. तो हम शुरू करते हैं एक एक करके.
Okay, now we will do Uttanasana, which is standing forward bend. So to do this exercise, at first we stand up straight, then bend our upper part of body from waist to bend this side. Then we should try to touch our knees with our nose, and we should try our feet with our two hands. Okay, let's try. Okay, this is Uttanasana. We should try this, and we should hold this pose for at least 30 seconds. It improves our mental health, it reduces anxiety, and it reduces fatigue. Okay,
हम पश्चिमोत्तासन करेंगे. अगर मैं आपको दिखा पाऊँ अच्छे से, तो हम लोग इस तरह से बैठ रहे हैं और मैं अपने सांस छोड़ते हुए मैं आगे की ओर सांस लेते हुए हाथ ऊपर करेंगे, सांस लेते हुए फिर सांस. आइए हम लोग देखते हैं कि शशांक आसन कैसे करते हैं. पहले हम वज्रासन में बैठ जाते हैं, उसके बाद सांस लेते हुए इस आसन में हम लोग अपने केहूनी, हाथ और नाक या सर को जमीन पर लगाते हैं। अब हम आनंद बालासन का प्रदर्शन करेंगे। So in this method, we are closing our eyes with the help of fingers, hands and ears with thumbs. Another method can be like this, that we can cover our ear, we can close our ears like this, and then we can perform Brahmari. Just we can breathe in and then produce humming sound during exhalation.
Good morning, students. In this pandemic period, all of us are suffering from mental stress. But we know many yogasanas help us to relieve or release the mental stress. For relieving that stress, we should regularly practice, or we should do regularly some yogasanas to relieve or release the mental stress. So we have 4 basic yogasanas. The first is Sukhasana. So what is that? It is, at first we should sit properly and we should sit straight. Then we should stretch our 2 hands on our 2 knees. Then simply breathe in and breathe out. We should do this for at least 1 minute. What is the benefit of this asana? The Sukhasana, this is very simple and easy pose, and it releases our mental stress and is strengthen our hips, and it lengthen our back and spine. Okay. Now is Ananda Balasana. This is called happy baby pose. So to do this asana or to do this exercise, we should lay down, then straightly we should raise our 2 leg and then bend it. Then we will try to touch and hold our 2 feet with our 2 hands. Okay, let's see how to do this exercise. Then we will discuss about its benefits. At first, we should lay down, then raise our 2 feet, then bend it, then yes. Now we will breathe in and breathe out. Okay, we should hold this pose for at least 30 seconds. So, what is the benefits of this pose? It brings mental bliss, it controls our heart rates, it stimulates our digestive system, it keeps away us from constipation and bloating. Okay.